Yo, what's poppin', Food Gang? Y'all already know who it is, man. It's your boy Broadway back again with another video, man. Hey, check this out, man. So look, I'm shooting this right now on my iPhone right now. I don't got my camera with me. But anyways, check it out. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying? This is what my update looking like. You know what I'm saying? Where my hair at. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I know it's been like, what, 2 months? You know what I'm saying? I think so, since the last time I dropped a little update on where my hair was. So this one my hair right now. I'm finna give y'all a 360 right fast. But yeah, check it out. Can y'all see that? Okay. Alright, so yeah, so basically, this where I'm at, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Do y'all think I should go ahead and twist it down right now? Should I wait about another month or so? What y'all think? Should I wait till the end of this month? Uh, I don't know. Like I said, I told y'all I was thinking about putting in my old locks that I still have from my old journey. Some of y'all was like, hell yeah, do it. Some of y'all was like, nah, don't do it. But I don't know yet. But I just been letting my hair grow, and as y'all can see right now, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's getting there. You know what I'm saying? Does the wild growth work? Yeah. I can truly say that it worked. My bad, y'all. I gotta get used to talking on this, y'all, like this until I get my camera back. But yeah, man, like the wild growth work, bro. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to grow y'all hair a little faster, make sure y'all go try that out. You know what I'm saying? You can find it at your local beauty store. You can find it at Walmart. Let me know down in the comments what I should do next with my hair, bro. Should I just go ahead and get it twisted down? You know what I'm saying? Or should I go ahead and put in, reattach my old locks? Cause I can do that right now as well. So make sure y'all let me know down below in the comments. I know this video not long, but I got another update coming for y'all soon. So make sure y'all just stay tuned. Shout out to all my new subscribers that's been subscribing to me. Like I said, I know I don't drop videos very often like I used to, but I promise y'all that in the end, it's all gonna make sense. You know what I'm saying? And y'all will be able to watch me 24/7, and with me having a cameraman and all that. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure y'all stay tuned. FGE in the building. Y'all know what time it is, man. I see y'all in my next video, bro.